Hey everybody, this is Symphony of the Seas, room 12184, and you can see it is an ocean balcony. And we start out full-length mirror right here, and a bathroom, pretty nice size bathroom. Really nice shower. We're impressed. We're cruisers, and this is our first time aboard one of the newer ships. Really nice space here. You have a safe and some drawers, and then some space underneath here. And then your bed and TV. And then this is like a little living room area. And the treats don't come with the room, but my company was nice enough to pay for this vacation and give us some treats. So we got some little treats. And then here you can see a nice size balcony. We haven't left the port yet here in Barcelona, but it's a really nice balcony. And you have some more drawer space right here. And you also have a refrigerator. And these drawers are pretty nice. There is a hair dryer. The drawers are pretty nice size, you can see in here. So then you have some space up here. And a little chair. So as you can see, it's a really nice room. Again, this is 12184 Symphony of the Seas. All right. Bye, guys.